Welcome to another episode of the Physical Science Connection. Today's topic, what is science? Scientists conduct experiments to understand the living and non-living of our world and beyond. The goal of their work is to seek out two things. They are facts and explanations. Facts and explanations can lead to theories, and perhaps theories can lead to scientific laws. Can anyone be a scientist? Sure. All you need is a bit of curiosity, creativity, honesty, an open mind, and a little bit of skepticism. Scientists use several processing skills in their work. These include observation, the use of your senses, estimation and measure, which means just a little bit of math involved, predicting what will happen, making operational definitions, which just means to describe objects, collect data and organize it into meaningful parts, and make use of models in order to make sense of things that are either too small or too grand. Scientists also like to form hypotheses and come up with conclusions. And they also interpret data. Scientists generally use the scientific method in developing experiments. The first step is to come up with a problem. This is usually a question or a statement. That statement or question then leads to gathering the necessary research in order to understand the background of the problem. Once you have that information in hand, then you can formulate a hypothesis. Once you have your hypothesis, then it's time to begin the test. During the test, you collect data. You take that data and organize it into meaningful parts. From that data, you're able to make interpretations and an analysis in order to prepare a conclusion. Your findings are then shared with the greater scientific community. Now, experiments are all about testing variables. You have independent variables, you have dependent variables, but overall, you're testing variables. If you want to avoid having too many hidden surprises pop out during an experiment, then it's best and recommended to just test one variable at a time. This is called a controlled experiment. Now, while there are several branches of science, our focus is physical science. In physical science, you look at the chemistry or the chemical nature of matter, and physics, looking at the study of energy. Science is about exploration and discovery. What will you discover today?